the spirit alive. 250 kilowatt speed, exactly the charge that the travelers need. It's the V-Class, so burn evolve. Dream in